So then Mahaprabhu quotes this verse, number 40, Kastranga Geta, the one we were reading here. Then he comments on this verse. So these are basically what I'm going to read now are Lord Chaitanya's comments on this verse of the gopis. So Mahaprabhu tells Sanatana Goswami. And it's the introduction. He says, not only the women of the world, everyone, especially the young ones. It doesn't just say all nari, jagate nari, all women of the world. It says young women of the world, yuvatigan. It doesn't say narigan. It says nari. Nari means woman. Narigan. It says yuvatigan, the young, tender, sweet, tight-skinned ones. Not the. With them too, also. Jatila is very attracted to Krishna. I'll beat him. If I see him, I'll beat him with this stick, that rascal. And Kundalata, listen, I trust you to take my daughter Radharani to Nandagram to cook his breakfast, but make sure that Radharani doesn't even see, make sure that Radharani doesn't even see Krishna's shadow. Make sure, oh, Kundalata says, yes, and Radharani won't even see Krishna's shadow. And make sure that Radharani doesn't hear anything he says. No, she won't hear. Jatila is so attracted to Krishna, she's always thinking of Krishna with the love and attraction of people like Kants. Jatila is in the same category as Kants. Kants is the king of Mathura Mandal. He's always thinking, oh, where's Krishna and Balaram? They're coming to kill me. The 8th son of Devaki is supposed to kill me. Krishna Kahan, Krishna Kahan. Kotai go, Krishna Mai. Kotai go, Krishna Mai. Kansa, Kansa. Kotai go, Krishna Mai. Kansa, Kansa. Ek bar, Ranga Kshetra. Dake, Krishna, Krishna. Ranga Kshetra means a wrestling arena. That's in Mathura. Ek bar Bhuteshwar darshan. Dake, Krishna, Krishna. Ek bar Rangeshwar. Dake, Krishna, Krishna. Because every day, Kans goes to see Rangeshwar Mahadev. Oh, Rangeshwar, you're the greatest of all wrestlers. The greatest of all. Please bless me that I can kill this Krishna. And Rangeshwar said, yes, I will arrange a very nice fight. You will enjoy too much. And it's a grand finale. You will be part of that grand finale to the wrestling match. Okay? Oh, thank you, Mahadev. Thank you very much. Om Namo Shivaya. Om Namo Shivaya. Om Namo Shivaya. I always feel so good when I take darshan of Rangeshwar. Now, just a matter of time, Shiva will fulfill my desires. So we say that Advaita Acharya is the descent of Mahavishnu. Why do we say Mahavishnu? Because Vishnu means Vishnu, but Maha means Mahadev. So when we say Advaita Acharya, he is the descent or the expression. He's Mahavishnu. But the Maha in the word Mahavishnu means Mahadev, Lord Shiva, Sadashiva. Sadashiva combines with Mahavishnu, with Vishnu becomes Mahavishnu, Advaita Acharya. That is it. Because we're speaking of Shiva, so we have to make a little plug for the Advaita Acharya. Because if you always remember your superiors, then you're always in good shape. And that, of course, maybe was triggered by the first word of the verse we're about to read.